Y con tus labios rosados yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento nadie más lo podrá saber. Vamos y sin censura, yo te hago todo a ti, dulzura. ¿Qué pasó?
Recuerde, la limpieza es totalmente gratis. Llegó el carro de pescado, aprovechen, llegó el carrito de la oferta.
Good morning, you guys, from another lovely day in Panama. We are Juan Diaz. Well, that's where my parents live. It's Juan Diaz. I just never said it. And so we are going today because it is Monday. We have to get our COVID test done since we're leaving out on Wednesday. And you already know United States, it needs to be within three days, which is good. Because my COVID test that I took in the United States to come here didn't result until 8 o'clock that night, people. 8 o'clock. I was so mad. But either way, such is life. You just got to roll with the punches. So we're going to go get our COVID test done today and do a little bit of shopping. Well, today's really going to be shopping day. So we are shopping in Panama, people. I'm going to show you guys these prices. You understand me? And, oh yeah, by the way, Panama also has curfew. I didn't know that. It has a curfew at 10 o'clock p.m. So even when we went PO last night, they close at 9 o'clock. So I guess so everybody can leave to be off the roads by 10. So curfew at 10 o'clock in Panama. So we are going to go do some shopping. I love Panamanian soaps. Like, that is all I've been using. Anytime PriPey comes to Panama, mommy always has to send us back some soaps because that soap just cut through grease so good for your dishes. So we're going to get some soaps, a couple of things, and then we're going to come back to Los Pueblos to do shopping in El Costco. Is it Costco or Costo? El Costo. To do some back to school shopping. I said, you know what, with these prices, that's $2.99, $1.99. I might as well get all the girls stuff for school because it's gonna be saving me a bank versus trying to find it in the United States of America. So that is the plan for today. So you guys come along with us as we shop in Panama. All right, so we came to this place called MinMed, where you can get your COVID test done, and they resulted within 4 hours and they send it to your email, according to mommy. So we'll see.
Yo solo cuéntate, y si tú quieres te pone a buscar. Es como tú lo mueves, pa pam pam, haciendo locura en la mañana. Si alguien te pregunta no ha pasado nada, solo amaneciste en mi cama. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame.
Yo, my dad is the most frugal and stingy person ever.
I'm in Panama. I know how it works here. So you give them $4. That's a blessing.
That's a blessing. So let's bless people.
Yes, okay, good.
So
well, you don't want to go in and spend it at the $1.
Listen here. Right, we don't want nothing in the $1. No, we want clothes. So anywho, so the people in them help you park or find parking for you, right? So when we were at the other place,
he was alegando.
I wasn't alegando. Listen, I didn't know that when the people in them.
Y además, él no lo cuidó. Este no lo cuidó. El otro sí lo cuidó.
I didn't know that they park you, so you have to give them a little change.
You don't pay for
whatever it is, they help you, whatever. So I was like, I didn't know. So Daddy was thinking. So I said, okay. So we get them in.
That on the blog. That's unacceptable. It's unacceptable. Go on, give me $10. Give him.
What is unacceptable? The fact that you're giving me grief?
Yes,
Daddy, like too much. Go ahead, Mia. Go ahead. Para ti. Gracias. They say you bless others, you have to bless, you bless other people.
But I thought you were saying that you are that mean.
I wasn't saying it's me, I didn't know.
You're not as mean, you're just as
What
good
is
as
$2? What is $2? We don't even know if the people in them have a family.
Hagamos jueguitos que de chiquito no pude hacer. Dale, bésame, ven y atrápame, que ahora adultos sabemos bien lo que vamos a hacer. Tu piel caramelizada y el pecado, pronto voy a.
So this is called Cinco de Mayo. Ooh. Oh, these are the shoes I wanted. Ooh, look at that ones. Melissa and I want to get some of the indigenous people's clothing or stuff. We're nursing. I don't wear that on my head. And so we wanted to come and get some of their bracelets, clothes, or whatever. So we're gonna go around and see how much they charge, and then kind of make a decision.
Eso es como ponerte una toalla y
Yo soy viejito y casado.
You got it for you?
No, que yo viendo, y estas son hijas mías y nietos. Sí, pero yo los trae aquí porque yo sé que yo tenía que comprar, los trae aquí.
de line
También va a ser servicio.
I like the round ones too, but I like the...
Dice que le gustan
Mire, ve.
los cuadrados y
How does it look?
look?
It would look better if you had a shirt for it.
And it's an elephant.
Oh yeah, you need to buy that. You love elephants.
Y todos tienen zipper. Here.
Okay.
Tiene tiempo que trabajo con mi
Try it on, mother.
This is the yellow, porque tiene el amarillo.
Ah, sí, verdad que sí. Esa también tiene amarillo.
Oh, yeah. No, and then you wear... La camisa la pone adentro.
Okay.
Ya, sí. Okay.
So yeah, they're making it murder and also.
Yeah.
Ella con ella se mide, ¿verdad? Oh.
Turn around, let me see.
Y mal choker. Oh.
Okay, I can see that. And with the choker, yeah.
We can never leave the short anymore.
Okay. Yeah.
Y con esta puede ser esta.
Do you like that one or do you like the other shirt?
That goes better, that matters.
I don't know. Molas.
Ese del traje se llama saburete.
Okay.
Saburete. El pañuelo se llama musue.
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 Okay.
Entonces la vuelta.
You can visit any any.
Sí, puede ponerlo como usted quiera. Esto es un pañuelo normal.
Y todo de eso siempre son rojo.
Sí.
Siempre. So those headbands are always red. You guys, they already started taking my money. At least we came, we got our Indian clothes, our traditional Indian clothes for Panama. And then we got bags and a whole bunch of goodies to take back home. And Melissa got a lot of different souvenirs to take back home. So now we're gonna go back to the mercado, something to eat food because we're so hungry. It is lunchtime. That's how we cross. It amazes me every single time crossing in Panama. It amazes me. The smell of fish. Alright, so this time I got peas and rice with their chicken, but it has a garlic sauce on it. Bongo beans?
Mommy, it's not even coconut sauce.
That coconut sauce is so good. Now we came to some park. Very nice, beautiful park. Doing some strolling and breathing in some fresh air, the nature with the city behind us. When we came here when we were younger, my dad actually brought us to the school we used to go to, Melissa and I. It is called CAM, which is Colegio Adventista Metropolitano. This is our school. Like every morning, we literally had to line up by grade. Then we would sing the anthem and the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag. This is our school. And I remember, like, we used to literally walk here, come from out there, and literally walk here into school. So much fun back in the days, man. But the funny thing about it is I don't even picture, like I was telling Daddy, like Cam looks so much different than I remembered in my childhood. Like this is like so weird, you know what I mean?
This office wasn't here.
Yeah, I don't think this was here. Everything was open, right? So this office wasn't there. It was just like the back, all that back there, all of this back there. Okay, so me and Jaden are going to the store.
Ice cream, we all scream for ice cream.
Why'd you get that again? We already have it.
Because they wanted it.
Well,
I got the ice cream. I'm happy now. I froze my hand off for this.
Good morning to another lovely sunny hot day in Panama. So unfortunately, you guys, I mean, we did a lot of shopping yesterday for what we wanted. We wanted to get the indigenous clothing. We were able to do that and tackle some of the things we need to get done, the COVID, all that jazz. But the shopping, like the real shopping, school shopping, we didn't get it done because we came back late and we were tired, I tell you. So today now we're doing straight shopping for the kids for school because it's so much cheaper here versus waiting till I get back to the States, and then it's gonna be an arm and a leg pay to come out the street to do the shopping. So that's what we're doing today. And then we're going to be doing a metro ride. You guys haven't seen the metro train ride. So we're going on a train ride today on the 6th day of being here. This is our last day, y'all. Tomorrow we out. Tomorrow we out. have to admit, you guys, that train rides so smooth. It is so easy to ride. So we came to the end of the line, and now we're just gonna go back around to the other mall. I just wanted to do a train ride pretty much, that's it. So we're taking the train back to the mall. The police are here monitoring that we have our mask on our face. Can somebody tell me why anime Japanese stuff is so expensive? PriPey didn't go in there because they're all excited because they're obsessed with anime stuff. A hoodie, $35 times 2. That's $75 right there, easy. I can't. These kids are going to make me broke. I'm telling you, Panama's getting my money, people. But it's a very cute anime store.
That's for Halloween. So what are you going to that? He's now part of the company, and his talent is being smart. I mean, the whole class we died, so now you're the first member again. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, you look Japanese, boy.
Of course he does.
Always make you smile, always make you smile.
Yo, look at this beautiful dress. $3.99 on sale. The original price, $5.99. Look at the dress. Okay.
Mommy, someone won't let me use the what you call
Nice.
the mirror.
Alright, I'm done. I just gotta find Mr. Alistair stuff now and I'm
Let me tell you guys something. I find Panamanians, I don't know if I said it 1,000 times, but are extremely helpful. We came here to eat, this restaurant right here, and they literally, some of the things, I'm like, yo, what is this? What is this? And I'm like, they're literally trying to help say it in English so you know what it is. The guy even Googled the stuff for me so he could say what it is in English so that we had a better idea. Priya went to Rice over there, and they were also very helpful in trying to help you figure out what it is. This is why for me I feel like Panamanians are amazing people. I don't know, but for me, anyone that I've met so far, extremely helpful. Even with the English, they try their best to translate for you. So now I'm just waiting for our food because I'm so hungry. We're here at what is this mall called again? Metro Mall. Such a nice mall. I'm not a big meat eater, but let me tell you something. I would eat meat in Panama all day, every day. So good, like so much flavor. Caribbean people know how to season their meat so well. mall. I had gave Priya this bag from the store we went to get them pants for school. And then we're eating, and I'm like, Priya, there's a bag missing, there's a bag missing. Everybody's like, no, I'm like, there is a bag missing. So I went back to where we were eating, couldn't find it. Went to the bathroom, didn't find it. I said, maybe she left it at where we were sitting before we went to go and eat. So when I went, I didn't see it. I was like, oh my goodness. But in a booth, I saw the bag. And I was like, Miss Lady, is that a bag that I left? She's like, yes. A couple came, saw the bag, and said it was from a girl that left it there. So they gave it to her and said if they come back for it. So that's why I went, and she said that's how she had it.
Wow.
This is why honesty is so important for me. Like in these places, you can leave anything and you will definitely come back and find it. One thing I do miss with Panama, a lot of times when you buy stuff, it comes with something free. See how you have the cereals with a free pencil case? That's what I miss. You buy 2 cereals and then you get a free chip. So this is the original, the Panamanian liquor. 10% off. And look, it's not even that expensive, people. You want to take in 1 bottle?
Then from the ones, the white Hennessy.
This way.
I need a piva.
Their own looks nice.
Hey, wait!
If you guys are wondering, Panama uses US dollars, but their coins are Balboa, so they have different coins that they use. But most of everything is dollar bill, which is nice because you use your card and you don't really have to worry about conversion rates. When you come out, they stamp your card or sign it. Then you can always leave your bags here so you don't have to go in the store lugga in them. Like Rohan would say, all over the place. So they give you back your bags. Gracias. Done with shopping. I'm not doing no more shopping. Panama done took all my money. Well, the good thing is all the kids' clothes and shoes are done for school, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. My feet are killing me. I ain't gonna kill you. We have been walking all over the place. I am done. Oh, that's what I said they charge you based on your destination. That's not bad. So for the 3 of us to come, it was $3. When you guys first came on the taxi, all 5 of you guys, I think it was like $4.25, $4.50. Madness. So economic. So yeah, so finally got home, so exhausted. Now I have to go and pack because we leave out tomorrow. So I want to make sure we have all these bags packed because it is ridiculous, guys. Look at this. Look at bags, y'all. This is what you call shopping in Panama. And I don't even think this is, some of them are still out there. All this got to pack into these 2 and 3 suitcases.